Today we have in the shop this 2022 Honda CR-V that we're going to do blind spot monitor inspection on. Tenemos aquí en el taller una 2022 Honda CR-V que vamos a inspeccionar el sistema del blind spot, de punto ciego. For that, we have these tools that are required for this procedure. So we're going to start by setting up the target at the height of the target that is going to be by doing the following. So we're going to loosen up the back of it, and then we're going to point it straight in the middle of that sensor. Okay, so vamos a posicionar el target primero exactamente a la mitad del sensor, la parte trasera.
So there we go.
Okay, listo? So that's the center, and then we're going to move it away. Vamos a quitarlo. And then we're going to use that tool that we got, and the way it's going to go, Alex is going to position it. That's going to go on the tire, okay? So the rubber ends going to be touching against the rim, the wheel, okay? That's one step. There's another step that we got to do, and it's that we got to find, we have to find the center. Yes.
So this one we already do this step right here. So.
We already found. We did that already, but we're gonna show you how you do it. Okay. So ya hicimos este paso, pero vamos a enseñar cómo lo hacen. So you need. That's another tool that we need to do this. That goes in the center. You rest it against the blind spot monitor sensor. Up and get rid of the other one.
And it's right there.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom in, and we're gonna zoom into the mark.
The mark is there already.
Okay, so you're gonna find that position with your whatever tool you're using. Okay, so vamos a encontrar esa marca con la herramienta que estén ocupando. And then we have another piece of tool, another tool that it's a ruler.
This one right here.
That you gotta assemble it together, and then you gotta put that little hole on the mark that you just did. Hay que buscar la marca que encontramos y luego hay que poner la regla allí en esa posición. And then we're gonna bring both of them together until they meet that place. Hágale zoom hasta allá. Acérquese hasta allá, por favor.
There you go.
All right. So the hole is going to be on the mark, and both tools there should be no gap in between. So la marca debe estar allí y no debe haber ningún gap. So the next step is going to be to mark the ruler about 41 millimeters away from that last hole on the ruler.
So we have already the markers.
Yeah.
It's right here, but you guys can see the mark from there to here.
It's on 41. It's on the sticker.
Right
it's
here.
It's 41 millimeters. That's 41 millimeters away from that center hole. Okay, so that's going to be the mark that we're going to position
this tool right here.
This tool. Okay, so and that center hole is going to be on that point. So el punto, ese centro lo vamos a poner ahí.
Aquí se ve el agujero.
So that's on the mark. Okay, and for the last step, we're gonna bring our laser bullet. We're gonna put the batteries on. It doesn't have an on-off switch, so to turn it off, you gotta remove the batteries. So vamos ahora a tocar con el laser. So we're gonna put it, let me show you this block right here. That block right there, it's got 3 positions for different degrees, okay? The one that we're gonna use for this vehicle, it's the 0 degree. So este bloque tiene 3 grados, 3 posiciones diferentes. El que vamos a ocupar va a ser el de 0 grados. Now we're gonna bring the center of the block into the center of the blind spot monitor. Allá donde. Ahí.
Right here.
Okay. Hágale más, acérquese ahí.
Aquí es el.
So that's the center of the blind spot monitor sensor, and that's where we're gonna set the block. And the laser is gonna be on top, and then we're gonna project that laser into the reflector. Well, this is not a reflector, this is just something to identify the location. So it's not on center, but it's within specs, okay? So that will conclude the inspection on this blind spot monitor sensor. So no está en el centro, pero está dentro de las especificaciones. Con esto concluimos la inspección de este blind spot. We haven't been posting that many videos online because we haven't gotten a chance to do that, but hopefully we're gonna continue with the videos. We have some videos online that you can watch. Let's see if we're doing anything else.
I think photo marked in that picture.
Okay, and that's going to be a picture for Alex's fans. So we're going to take a picture of this. That's going to be proof of that we did the inspection. So again, going back to the videos, we have videos online related to ADAS and electrical diagnosis. Hopefully we can bring you another video in the next following days. No hemos hecho muchos videos, pero ahorita vamos a seguir poniendo. Tenemos más videos ahí en el canal relacionados con ADAS y con electrical diagnosis. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something. And if you did, subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.